Hey guys, Nate here with Shade Tree RC 2.0 and YRC Raceway and Hobby. What I have in front of you has been reviewed a few times before, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing / review of it. I have not driven this truck. This truck is brand new. Came to me today. Thank you, Noel, at Hobby Force or Hobby Town in Ontario, Ohio. This truck sat on the shelf for $300. This truck has a great stance to it, great paint scheme. It's simple, easy. The body is very, well, what seems to be very durable. We'll test it out, I'm sure. The platform is a basic tub chassis, oil-filled shocks. It has a 60 amp ESC, which can run up to a 3S LiPo. We have oil-filled shocks, ball bearings throughout. The on-off switch, which is right here, has a little tiny switch next to the on-off switch, which will switch back from nickel metal hydride to lithium polymer. So whether you're running the included pack, which is right here, which is a 7-cell nickel metal hydride, which is great, comes with a battery, and it also comes with a charger. But if you want a little bit longer runtime, the lithium polymer batteries, or LiPos, will fit in here, and you have the cutoff right there in the on-off switch. It comes with the Helion reactor system. It's a 3000 kV brushless system. It is a full Metal Gear differential. The only downfall that I see on this truck is the adjustability. This truck is very, very close to the HPI Blitz and the team associated SC10. Has a standard tub chassis, but there's no adjustability. The HPI arms here for your caster and camber, the Blitz will work. So if you do buy the Helion Volition, whether it be the XLR or the brushed version, the HPI parts will fit. On to the radio. The radio is pretty basic. It's the same Helion radio. It's a drop wheel. Comes with a little prop antenna. It feels good in the hand. I mean, this isn't a bad radio at all. It has your basic adjustments. It's a 4 AA's. It's nothing special, but it has a nice foam grip. And what I like about this radio is the adjustments are right at the top of the wheel, so you don't have to go over here to make adjustments on the fly. So if you're out on the track and you're racing this truck, you can make adjustments right here at the top of the wheel. It comes with a small bag of parts, an Allen wrench, a T-wrench, some shock spacers, your manual, which is boring. I know nobody likes to deal with the manual. But it does come with a RC driver discount for Helion purchase people. 12 issues at a discount for RC driver. I think they have switched over to nothing but online. I think they've done away with the RC driver magazine, but you still get that. And it's a decent manual, so hopefully we don't break anything anytime soon. Put the truck back in here. The body fits really nice, and it is heavy. The stock tires, they feel pretty decent. They don't feel cheap at all. There's definite foams in there. I do like the way they feel. We'll see how it does, you know, out in the terrain. Right now here in northern Ohio, it's really, really wet. And even though this reactor system that's in this is what they call waterproof, I still don't like to submerge nor put this thing through the test as much water as we have out there. So we'll go outside and see what happens with it pretty soon here, and you know, I'll put some running videos up for you guys, and we'll see, you know, how it does. Like I said before, the HPI Blitz, most of the parts other than the shock towers, I think everything's interchangeable. We'll go out and see if we can't break it. Thanks guys, appreciate you watching my videos, and I'm Nate here with Shade Tree RC 2.0 YRC Raceway and Hobby. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next video.